Monster! Ew! Say hi! Monster! Ew! Say hi! Monster! Ew! Blech. Was that an earthquake?
If I can not go against Ty, I'd be happy because then if he wins, then he comes back, then we can kick it. I mean,
Okay, I don't think so. I think it's just a big truck. Hopefully.
I don't know you that well, but I know you well enough to know when you get that face on, that's at least 20 minutes out of my day that suck.
Oh my god.
So,
Monster, stop.
you know how much not fun it is if you're not here.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm about to call my mom.
Me and Ty are having a blast, so if I can figure out how to not go against him,
Okay, I just stopped needing to be a little chicken shit.
much more better.
Monster!
Love you.
Look at. Ow! Okay. Get it. Who's that? Hello. So today we're gonna go and test out the pool in my apartment. I'm here with my little nephew. Turn around, say hi.
No!
That's my nephew. Anthony and my little sister are gonna come too, but she out of school, so he went to go pick her up. And I'm over here. And I'm gonna try to open the door for the first time. And I realized that I don't have any bathing suits no more. 'Cause I think I threw them away or something.
Oh.
Ooh.
I did not know that.
This door's heavy.
Come on.
Oops. Okay, let me show you guys the pool. Oh, that's the jacuzzi. And then that's the pool.
You want the sun or the shade?
Hold on. The lounge chairs, the barbecue grills. And then over there is the fitness room and then the computer room. And that's the office for the information and all that.
Restroom.
You need to go to the restroom?
No.
Oh.
I'm saying that there's a restroom.
Where? Oh, okay.
Wait.
Oh, what's this?
Is it okay if we go in the pool?
Yeah, that's fine. They just fell, Romeo.
Oh. So is this okay right here?
Yeah. And then there's a little lounge. Oh, it's a fire pit. Oh, look, Romeo, how cool.
Can we make s'mores here?
Yeah, oh, we should buy s'mores.
No. Hey, maybe next
Okay,
time.
so we're gonna get in the pool now, and I'm not gonna record because my phone's not waterproof. So, yeah. Romeo, do you like the jacuzzi better or the pool?
The jacuzzi.
Yeah, it's way warmer.
It actually is, because over there it's like way too cool. Right here it's like...
Yeah, the pool is super cold. It's like 0 degrees in there.
It feels like
I feel bad for the people for Titanic because I was freezing my butt out.
It feels like if you were at Titanic.
So yeah, we're in the jacuzzi now.
Oh, jacuzzi.
Wait, and we're still waiting for Anthony and my little sister. But the jacuzzi feels so good. I wonder if we could tell like the landlords to like heat up the pool or something, because it's freaking cold in there. Like I know usually a pool's really cold and stuff like when you first get in, but then you get used to it. But we jumped in, we dipped our heads in, and it was still like freezing cold. So I don't know, something's wrong with the pool. And if you guys are wondering what this thing right here is, I got a cold sore because I got sick during last weekend, and every time I have a fever, I get a cold sore. Or a fever blister, whatever they're called. So yeah, don't think bad. Don't think Anthony's hitting me or anything like that. Cause, yeah, right. I'll kick his ass. Ew, bro, did you fart?
Yeah.
Ew, bubbles. Ew. You seriously farted, huh?
Yeah.
You're nasty.
I feel like something was missing.
Just because we're in a jacuzzi doesn't mean the bubbles aren't gonna pop up.
I know.
Nasty.